Hey, back again. It is May 30th, 2024. Just showing a quick walk around video showing you the interior and the engine bay of this 1995 Mercedes-Benz E300 diesel. Car's finished in midnight blue over cream MD text. It's an absolutely pristine, all original condition, wearing all original paint. And the car presently has 8,372 miles. Pretty amazing, the condition of this car. See, the interior is immaculate. When we were detailing the car, I was talking to a very good friend of mine, and he was asking me how clean it was. And I told him, I said, listen, underneath the seats were even under the seats were immaculate. The frame rails for the seats are immaculate. I mean, super clean car. You see inside all the door jambs, all the door cards are absolutely beautiful. Amazing condition. When I opened those for the first time, they were so stiff, I honestly believe that was the first time they were ever opened. You see inside the trunk, all the little rubber stops that are usually dry rotted and cracked are in flawless condition. Obviously, no corrosion present. When you see the undercarriage of this car, that's when you're really going to appreciate the overall condition. The original spare, that's a Pirelli P600 spare. Tools still in the plastic bag, unused jack, pristine condition everywhere. Original floor mats are pristine. Of course, it has a custom car cover. See the door card on this side. Absolutely pristine. Original first aid kit. And the only thing that is kind of a flaw that I will not address, I'm not going to touch it. Car's all original. It has a little bit of pillowing starting in the rear headliner, which is common on these 124s. And I do not want to disturb this vehicle in any way. We did a sympathetic cleaning of the interior. It really didn't need much of anything. It's so immaculate. Obviously no dash cracks. Bright orange gauge needles. All of the wood is immaculate. See, even the seatbelt receptors are still vibrant red. This car really hasn't seen any UV exposure over its lifetime. Absolutely amazing. The best I've ever seen. I've never seen one this nice, and I had one sell on Bring a Trailer for an astronomical number that was very nice, very close, but not this car. This color combination, this is the best. How immaculately clean everything is. Got your USA stamp still legible. Amazingly clean vehicle. Car was just serviced, all fresh fluids and filters. Look deep inside the recesses of the engine bay, they're even immaculate. It's as good as it gets, people. So this car will be coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer as a no reserve auction. It's an all original paint car, all original everything. Still wearing the original Pirelli P600 tires, date coded 1994. Absolutely magnificent, magnificent example. It's coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer. Just look at that wood. Another thing of note is just look at the condition of the steering wheel. I mean, there is not a blemish on the leather. Absolutely flawless vehicle. Best one I've ever seen. Absolutely love this color combination. So this car will be coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer. No reserve auction. 1995 E300 diesel. Got a bug there. Get rid of him. Absolutely amazing. So that's my video for today, May 30th, 2024. Prospective bidders, if you're interested in seeing this car in person, just reach out to me directly. The car will sell on Bring a Trailer as a no reserve auction. Coming soon. Just want to wish everyone the best of luck.